The new blow-off valve FV2 has inherited the floating valve structure that was well received in the previous model, while improving on the old one with a more sophisticated design, easier maintainability, and reliability. A knob that can be spun by hand enables the preload adjustment of the spring. The 360-degree adjustment of the hose fitting on the top cover can be done without tools. The mounting flange and opening have the same dimensions as the GReddy blow-off valve typers, RZ and FV series, and can therefore be a direct replacement for older models. The most remarkable features are: the top cover is machined by aluminum, silver, with 360 degrees rotation function. The spring adjustment is done by an aluminum machined knob. The body is an aluminum die-cast, chrome-plated. It has a dual valve spring. The valve is a 40mm machined aluminum hard alumine, with support spring split structure. Welcome the all brand new blow-off valve FV2. And enjoy!